Are you ready to take your entrepreneurship skills to the next level? In this video, I'll share with you the 5 habits of successful entrepreneurs that you can start implementing today to achieve your goals and become a successful entrepreneur yourself. Welcome to our channel where we help aspiring entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. We believe that anyone can be a successful entrepreneur with the right mindset, tools, and strategies. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 habits of successful entrepreneurs that you can adopt today to help you achieve your goals. They set clear goals. Successful entrepreneurs have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and set achievable goals to help them reach it. They are specific, measurable, and have a timeline attached to them. They prioritize productivity. Successful entrepreneurs understand the value of time and make the most of it. They prioritize their day, eliminate distractions, and focus on the most important tasks to achieve their goals. They continuously learn. Successful entrepreneurs have a growth mindset and are constantly seeking new knowledge and skills to improve themselves and their business. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with mentors to help them achieve success. They take risks. Successful entrepreneurs understand that taking calculated risks is necessary to grow their business. They embrace challenges and failures, learn from them, and use them to fuel their success. They build strong relationships. Successful entrepreneurs understand the importance of networking and building relationships with people who can help them achieve their goals. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals, collaborate with others, and build a strong support system. Now that you know the 5 habits of successful entrepreneurs, it's time to start implementing them in your daily life. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, hard work, and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals and become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on entrepreneurship.